So, this is part of my job.
Okay.
You gotta love it. We had to get close to both so we could...
Hey, thank you so much.
Did you have fun?
I did.
Oh, good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Awesome experience.
Thank you.
She's a pro.
See you around.